Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include anti-lock brakes, traction control, CD player, power windows, tire pressure monitoring system. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, intermittent wipers. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.